Hello guys, I'm Junaid and you're watching Junaid Code Star. Come on, let's solve today's problem. The problem statement is the problem is boats to save people. Let us read the problem statement. You are given an array people where people I is the weight of ith person and an infinite number of boats where each boat can carry maximum weight of limit. Each boat carries at most two people at the same time, provided the sum of weight of those people is at most limit. Okay. Return the minimum number of boats to carry every given person. Let us look at the test cases. 1, 2, limit is 3. Okay, 1, 2 in one boat. 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay, nice. So, I'll take an example of myself. So, given if suppose the array is 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. So this is the array and limit equal to 3. So what should be our starting approach? So in one boat at most two people can ride. At most two people can ride, na? And the combined weight of these both people should be less than or equal to limit. This is our problem statement. So we are expected to return number of such boats required. So this is our problem statement. So let us take I'll erase this first. Now to minimize the number of boats required, our basic approach should be to keep the weight of whole boat to be close to limit as much as possible. Like here the limit is 3. We want the weight of boat to be as close to 3 as possible. So to make it as close as possible, what will we do? First, we can keep the first person as the current highest weight, and this person to be lowest. If we go in such an order, it is guaranteed that we'll always find the minimum number of boats. So this is our basic intuition. What we are gonna do now? We are going to keep a pointer. We are going to keep a pointer at the lowest value and another pointer highest, h or e, l or l at initial and h at final. So I'm taking if the case is sorted. If the array is not sorted, you are expected to sort it, which takes about n log n complexity using merge sort. So this is our approach, and okay, so we'll take two pointers, L and H, L indicating the lowest, H indicating the highest. So first we'll check if the weight of L plus H, A of L plus A of H is less than or equal to limit or not. If it is less than or equal to limit, we'll keep L and H in one boat and increment our answer variable. We'll increment our answer variable. If not, AL plus AH is greater than limit, then what will we do? So it means that the lowest you can keep and the highest you can keep, both you cannot keep both of them in same boat. And suppose like it here it is 3 now, a of h equal to 3. And if suppose limit is 5, you have to find a variable such that its value is 2, less than or equal to 2. Okay, no, let us take the limit as 3. So here the maximum value is 3 and you cannot find, and the lowest you can find is 1. There is no, it is guaranteed that you won't find any such value less than or equal to 1, as this is the lowest. So you have to keep this one variable in a separate boat, separate boat. So that means that we'll increment our answer variable, and we'll decrement the highest pointer, h minus minus. And if al plus ah greater than or less than or equal to limit, so we'll take this value and this value in one boat and increment L and decrement L plus plus h minus minus. It's as simple as that, guys. Come on, let's go to the coding part. Yeah, let's take 2 pointer int L equal to 0 and h equal to people dot size minus 1 while s less than or equal to L less than or equal to h. We'll check if a of it's people of L plus h is less than or equal to limit. So what we have thought that if these both are less than or equal to limit, we'll keep the both of them in same boat, increment the answer, the answer equal to 0, L minus minus, sorry, L plus plus, H minus minus. Else part will increment the boats and decrement the highest value. And before coming to this part, we should sort the array. This array should be sorted. So sort people dot that's it. Return answer. Let us run it. I hope it runs. Yes. Okay, let me submit the solution. Perfect. Done. So that's the problem That's the problem. We have completed it. And what will be the time complexity of this problem? So this sort operator takes O of log n log n, and this thing, it's like binary search approximately, where at most, suppose given that the whole array is of size limit, suppose the whole array is 3 3 3 3 3 and limit is also 3, you would need it, like you would need a separate board for each thing. So h will be here, then h will be decremented to here, h will be decremented to here. So you are making at most n iterations. So at worst case, this is gonna take O of n. So total time complexity is PC equal to O of n log n plus n. So this is our time complexity. Yeah, thank you guys. That's we have solved today's problem. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.